nsamu amono monsa yetum fu etu a wankasa wotwe wo tekyerema na wo hwe a utimu se tekyerema no ennoa nanso wo si da bi wo banu mawu awurade wo botaye ma wo nti gyansem hunu no awudi no awurade wo botaye ma wo eni nti adwamanbɔ no a watomu a tete no misi gyae tete wo nsɛm so awurade wo botaye ma wo eni nti kasa fi a wo ka de kyerɛ nipa no mepa kyɛw ɛwɔ sɛ wo sesa awurade wo botaye ma wo eni nti sɛdeɛ wo lavish sika ɛwɔ unnecessary things ho no mepa kyɛw sakyera wadwene na hyɛ asie sika. God knows you and he has a purpose for you. Bible say wabrana Jeremiah dane na yemu ane yenyanwo numpo no. Wabrane maamre ne papa sha ase so omo dwen ho. No o makoye love no. Sa brane na Awurade kan se onim Jeremiah na oyi no ema ne beye wudifo. Eni nti se me ka kire wa no pai se abrabo na o bo na nya wadwen da se wo na wo bo abrabo. No, Awurade Nyankopon ani gye sa abrabo na wo bo no ho. Nani di wachi ani ti bisa wo ho se Awurade a anka se de wo bo obura no obebo ne saa ana praise before nyom o se asem bi a meka ade bi a meye esese mi bisa se eye Yesu a anka obeye ne saa anka obeka ne saa ana. God is interested in your life. Eti nka nkyira mi se me de obra na me bo ni mi obi a mpacho obi ono ni asafu Awurade ono ni okire dom Nyankopon ono ni osabarima a yede ne kokko a yedi nkonim Onyankopon ono ni onyame a yenya no ane amen. Anope o se me nka nkyira wo se identify yourself in Christ. Just as God had a plan for Jeremiah, he has a plan for you. Send na Jeremiah Awurade Nyankopon wa adwempo bi de ma no. Na oyɛ mogyatoa dane na yɛm na oyi ni ma ne yɛ odifo. Enti wopɛ sɛ ɔka kyerɛ me sɛ onyame bɔ a ɔbɔ wo ma wo ba asase so yi. Sɛbe ne ho ana na ɛtɛ no a saa kɛkɛ. Ɛna ɔbɔ wo ba ayɛ sɛ bra. Nso bɛ nante nantimu a. Anɔpa yi maami wada ono akɔyɛ bɔ ne pono akɔbie no. Akoto apetition uhwie gu wanum hwɛ sɛ de asɛm ne tie o uhwie nsan no yaya na ɔde agu nanum no ayɛ kai na wabisa no nti heavy mekobi na ɔno awusu ne ti dabi enso still ɔso ɔbɛno mu awu he Awurade sɛ menka nkyerɛ sɛ abrabɔ ne nya wo de a udi agora ma bi ɔbɛbɔ wo no. Don't live your life just like that. Sɛ wo bɔ abrabɔ biara seme de baby abebeto bi ayempoyim abeni bi nkonkoto nsone nso ma hunhu ye ka be hunu say yes baby abebeto bi ayempoyim a you are not living your life for yourself. God is interested in your life. God is with you. Onimon no wabotaye bi de ma wo eni nti mo abrabo ni biara wate me dofo onyame wo dodo odwen wo ho nani kun ho ona o he wunti papa no wona wolumai wona wo wunti wolumai wona odwen wo ho anopa awia anwumre he mene wo kasa sisi ayi mframa a wo home kora wo odwen ho se mframa no de he na ye a mema me bai enhome. Enti so obi ka kira wo se Onyankopon nwene wo ho a wo daadaa wo odwen wo ho pa hwaduane awudie ne e poison wo ni to be the farm framam ye to be the fansuom ene nuane ye die papa bi akura nim ni nyina adane spices Ghana ha no mo ye nuane nye fufu abanku enye banku abayere aduane papa ben na wudi. How well can you balance your diet? God is interested in your life. And into the oye ya no adwen ho enkasa media me no ma say it is never true. Dia onipa eguo biara wo betwa. Ne awuguo wo betwa. Papa wo boni o wo betwa. Enti e mo abrabo biara wate. Na onyame wonimo owo botaye e de ma wo. Se ne Jeremiah no wonimo no na no owo onya botaye de ma no he had plans for Jeremiah no Sa pepepe na Awurade Nyankopɔn woni mo no odo ne nani kun ho nti owo botaye de ma. Point number 2. God prepares and equips us. Onyankopɔn siesie yen na akade bia ɛwɔ sɛ ɛbɛka yen ho ɛma nea yɛyɛ etumi ɛbɛmu no Awurade ɔde abrɛ yen ɔde abɛka yen ho na etumi aboa yen. And it, when you look at the story of Jeremiah felt too young and inexperienced, but God assured him that he will be with him and give him the words to speak. God's assurance. God doesn't call the qualified. He qualifies the called. Em say brofo na ni adin enti de me kan I said de mini obi na edin kon wo na mini edin komo tie me. I pray God will give you the understanding of a seminar ye kan. Time one offer Jeremiah ba say Jeremiah, listen. Ma you sebra be you odifo. Jeremiah say na me de mi sa. Akwara ketewa te say me na odi ahinkan say morning show yi me na memra memane. How can I do it? Onyankopon say jantoato ano. Ensem we be pie firi wanumu abanye yakuma na be kire wo. Yakuma betimi a kire wo kasa be buo fa we to afa we sha hwan na we agya wo no. But ensem we be pie firi wanumu aba no. I am the source of those words. Enti ensuro. Sanya sometimes Onyankopon o think kasi onyame afro se brabe na adwuma. Onyame afro se ministry bi ase, se fellowship bi ase. But aya na ehu. Ubisa ho se na se kra nso ya doso. Enkrofo kote se me nso me ye fellowship a. So mo nso beka o, misro na me sha se kra de free. Listen to me. Jeremiah was doing same. Jeremiah was, speaking a lot. Jeremiah was giving, flimsy excuses. Erade, I am too young. Erade, I am inexperienced. Erade, I am not qualified. I don't call the qualified. Rather, I qualifies the called. Se me frawa, me mfrawo se wa no ate, wo ye mpanin nsem. Me mfrawo se wo no aben, wo PhD. Me mfrawo se wo ye tenten gram na ne e na no a Nyankopɔn pe ohene e de ama Israel fo. Hwe de esiye e wo Jesi abusuam. O ma Jesi e line up ne ma ne nyina ne ahwa brantie. E de wo so wo tenten gram wa ben oko school wo hemfa e hwan fort e de fort e de ba hwan awie University of Asumasi wo benten okura PhD in this BSc and degree e de o ma bobo ne se bebre. Onyankopɔn hwe na nim din no abu na ne chi edwe ne afre we de aba no ahwe na nim din no abu na ne chi edwe ne afre we de aba no botaye ni nyina say he does not call the qualified, but he qualifies the called. And into David na nipa nyina yi na ama David na nipa nyina say abrantie we de na ye po obi am na ba be di hene David no he doesn't qualify. David na David di ono no ye ofri anambino on the wilderness watching over the flocks. How can this person be a king over God's people? But when Yankopon say me mfred you know about PhD. And here come morning show host for your line on app no nka ye beba na nkokwa bana ni na fu good ayi so. Tintin gramu bi ono nka wo ba be ye adwuma no. Etere biara mo so mo ya ba mu bu o. Obi timi hia o se obo ba no oni. Na nka person ka me ye den. O wa nka ye to abrosan na mi gina so na hunu za mpa mi na mi nie. God does not call the qualified, but rather he qualifies the called. He is interested in you, baby. I will be through any pass away. Ya the near ye Yankopon se monko manimu e. Some na mo born no. Me na born no. Momo de mo se de ne ahwe nye yi, but me de me se me de ne bibi ye. Sometimes eya wo de hwe the biblical antecedent enioma ahodo esisi ye o Bible mu omo enyankopon fa wo mo de wo ye bibi nyina, in fact no mo qualify. Because see pa this ya me no mienu yen definition of royalty eye obi a otobrosie osiboso tentengramo ye kan nantu sre abasa so minu mienu yen definition of adehye no enu bi ne migusu amekeka kire wo yo. But se wo hwe onyankopon said ye or sway the attention of the people because they thought say so ye pe obi akodi hene a e wo kwawuman mu no ye pe obi akodi hene a e wo say number 1 ofiri adehye abusuam sa onipa no so na edi ne ba bedi hene no e wo so oye obi a obroni wo borofo kasa bi say integrity owo bi yente se wakoto obi mu na wakodi ewu wakwakọ wode ne ho akọfọrefọre nsembọni bi daabi yente ye enti yen yankasa ye wo yen definition of royalty we die ye de ni di hene a eyeyie but onyankopon say saa niema na yen ye hwe so ansa na ya bobi din na ya de na ba be ye obirempon ye de na ba be ye okase bi no saa onyankopon no a ye kana asem no mo niema no a mo ye na hu nhia no. So onyankopon ka se eya asem asi ena memedi ni be bribia. He is interested in that person, he knows him and has a purpose for the person, and God has prepared that person for a certain task. And inti die nipa beka bia emfam. Onyankopon ka kire Samuel say kopim bra wo di David beba ono ne ne me pɛ no amayi no ono ne ne ma hyɛ siesie no mede ne kɔ sare ne so no mamfa na nkɔ sare ne so saa keke o mede ne kɔ hɔ sɛ onkonko sua de aboabo a mede ne bae mamfa na ma saa keke mede ne ba so omra mesua de na me mane so se kim ba bia mede ne kro no PhD kura ntimi stop no inti Anambino David had a place in God. Why? Because God had a plan and a purpose for David. So he prepared him on the wilderness. People thought, say, honor yedene ko ene de, enke yedene ko ne nkwa akwa kuhuna mane. But Enam said God interested in him nti. God used that moment, that season, to prepare him and equipped him. So when he became king, afei no so experienced. David Yahinie Bible kan wasem was one of the best in the history of Israel. God doesn't call the qualified, like I said. He qualifies the called. He equips with the Holy Spirit, spiritual gifts, and his word. That is why onipa bi onyankopon na eyi no, onipa bi onyankopon na ebie kwan ma no, okasa bi etumi ka se oka nyansasem, oka honhom nsem, na oka onyankopon asem. A typical example, eyofori amanfo. Eyonyame na eyi no. Enipa ntumi nyiwu. Enipa na eyi wa mehwe nke mfa. Onipa ntumi nyi eyonyame na eyi. So onyankopon yi a enipa ntumi stop no. I have come to you this morning once again. Mebusianfo, I am telling you, not for once feel inadequate, unqualified, and wealthy. Say onyankopon ntumi mfa menye. Onyankopon betimi de waye. Ya wosofo bi ene ne ya adwuma wa ha. Osofo no no so ntumi nkenkan brofo. Oso ntumi nkenkan twi. but se kwasia da duru Bible pensen mu so na wo said ye wo kotu Bible no na ye be kan so na ye no kora sem na wo kan eya no atena se ebisa ho se na we nsu ye den ye eya wurade se wurade frɛ wo a onfa wo nsem ma wo ono ankasa na de ne nsem de ma wo. And I pray God is interested in you. He is interested. He will prepare you and he will equip you for the task ahead. He has a purpose and he knows you. He has plans for you. And it's in your God is interested in you. In your abroad family and some money in Ja Rastafari Joshua Kwabena Ejenim. And then Rasta man at Tenasi.
Furi amanfo hey
Rasta man Joshua Kwabena Ejenim
oboba ofuri amanfo
wetin man no see before
say we no ni na ayepe no
hey radi yagobo ada wo ye sure say u fifie ne bai
o da bi me hu
wan fifie ne bai
o ada mi fifie say Davi.
Oh, okay.
Davi. We see am say me Darius say na.
Eso hu. Esa jeni Yankopon. Go platform.
Come uni bibia ho no ma. On fam prabra ho a.
Oh la ila. Edi Joshua Kwabena jeni matena se. Or the ebe kwa go pramane so. Na bringing us up to speed, update ahodo a ewo ho no mo di amaye. Na sports for no prepare o mo wie da. Adentia, o sorry ntempa.
Wie da.
O sorry ntempa still.
Wie da.
Hey.
Tubodu be be say utwa so na waba.
I see. But say bibia bokọ de.
Oh, bibia kama obi. Bibia kama. Ya sorry anopa ya ba ya no wisi de. Na say bibia kama. Enen so bo menyo no ma na. Em say em kwa na
no.
Ma me che me jai production di asakakra sana.
Definitely no pepper.
Think no pabia anka enye say time bank no pabia anka the sports stick tune anka ya.
Oh, you betimi ayama. Definitely say you be born.
Obobo for yamanfo.
Joshua Kwabena Ejenim.
Obi say no obi my message be say em say captain in the morning say minjana menjano I say the morning captain say
oh than west now
I see I say that be mo do see be
ebi mu hu
see ebi mu edu esi
bi and I be cry captain abrantie suban order na dinti as many she da nyi hu
ba ko no nim say bia ko hu something na say oh yan flow morning the captain no say the captain in the morning no
as abrantie suban she da nyam fe bi sa no
better nyo no ntia
kan but say we bi ho no mo ayi yesi din de wo ho but we bi ho no ma te simple mu ha yi obi aba so de ofori amanfo a ebia no ogu nsa de mame chon ofori amanfo bi apia de so ogu nsa de mame
sana kwa ofori amanfo ahenkan no fa woni ba bibia wo bia but emuye nam so bibia e kama amanfo so kan say nra me say meto abakwa na me so oba kan FM hanom dia ye no yewo anda embra
almost one month ya so beto abakwa ba bia
but I don't know sene ya nkofo adwin fire ho
hu say yen yamanyo sem no egusu a enyin hu say first pa no na uye nsamtwoni a untumi enkyere wadwen wo bibi ho but unse say fi ho ama nsamtwofo so obehwa obi a editorial ubehu ebi mu ye touch screen ni eken ka ho bank kakra first no say bia we celebrity bi ni wa kyere say metuma bako ha any en wawie ya no but unse say ye ti ase bank kakra okwa amanone a adwomtofo ne celebrities ye wo ho no bebre no atumi kyere say wo metuma ba fa ha people ya no mo ye okay with but yen ha no
ye beti ase
enkakan kakra
ena ma yen kan so say yen ye liberty yen ye ma city in a lot of meetings say ofia no Mentis that one will be got a better ya back.
Seventy had no idea and can't catch a bad affair.
ABC 100. So you are liberty to go baby a becubia. But just a mere what you want say would so. Oh, but some runner and can't say no man. In Tibia road station will be 8 me in cancer near canal. Yes, as will be an editorial. But young had the kind of credit said, young for BBC. See, how do you be our liberty? So, baby,
into more issues also about Twabama AAA. And I said,
oh, there be not AAA, but
almost in some training, and what's our baby about
Twabama. But I say, I don't know, Senya, I didn't sit here.
So why you buy us? And I said,
no, it be won't mean yes, I bet I didn't hear the team. Yes,
until I say, will be between me, say, or more better my back.
How do you say it? Yeah, team, yes, I'm so. Yeah,
okay, Patrick, how do you be answer? Yes,
so be answer.
What the Anna say, yet the and she said, they are two. Sanchi said, Diso, and Metana have did you be at them personally. So, and the Emma Kwama when yet.
Now, we are in for some
Senchani and Coupon. Epokumu pie for said you said your audience engineer better. I said, who will be a year?
Why should we have none have my boozer, Bibianim, and I be what you want to know.
I was what the BB Bentinez, or as we have
with me for them. Nice and go for the BB. And for the mammy,
oh, I didn't.
Hey,
that's a great
man for the answer.
Oh, I didn't. Oh, Mouty. How is it in the Pami and saying, why I say, oh, okay. Age you are on, I say, oh, my age, your ma. And say, on age and an empty of a fabra,
into pianist.
Oh, for fabra.
That will also appear gentleman in piano.
I was one PM, I see a diagram. Ah,
nobody and how you put in
a programs manager and every room we see and also my Kukusika.
But first, I said, Teen or so.
Obey a boozer. Any besides a boozer, we would do if you had that.
I say,
and also as a training and so the Kukusika and Anti programs manager, you goes at the Kukusika Bay. Now you're general manager. Now, Sabre would the fee.
Some name a catcher.
Sabre would the fee. That is a way you I would do.
No, and now, now, when can not can you say, Mamma? You can run, can you say, Mamma? But zero, I'm a programs, a do kind idea. W. Some programs, bar. And so you would come by and son of Jemaba.
And there are say,
I said, we
need a bit not see you and a corner. The bell who saw yes, I think.
Into programs.
When you send or boss and send no pay.
I said, yeah, too soon. I've been asked on whatever. Shall go on mountains. Abba. Very no mountains.
Hey, Charabo, what's your answer? Oh, you are there. Agent gone, number 3.
Agent is also.
I was somewhere to say, Adibia. You say, young money, you know,
money that say. Now, Basia, I'm saying, you know,
a free Sabre corner. Young wounds and say, yeah, I want to say a community, a booby abedaho.
I don't say, boy,
a booby abeda community. And it is a woody kind one yet, or candy and who you man. But a man and 12 feet to ma. A born abeto community was there.
General manager. General manager. I don't know.
Who Johnny?
I don't know. Who you been? I don't say check your phone. Who
the kind one you was said, yeah. A born. Oh, dear, in Kankasa crowd, we need command of pain as he did. Joe, I'm crying. I'm coming right.
Jim from Bad America.
What that?
Go your machine. Because I demand some of my
All the more guys wrong say madam.
Me go ya say be an
Never wada.
General manager, that be your man by this time the under. Sure. Oh no.
Say and none you one na. You would get so na but wada.
Aye. Do pa ma menye bibia
Oh, our friends say PM abens engineer no pay.
Me ka na ba me ka say GM dey na bedru na.
Debi.
Programs manager. On dey say I can we.
Wa ben engineer, wa can we saying?
Ya can we general manager. Sisi aduru so. Ai esi inti o dey say
openi okoda henra.
Sisi a say o mobile money pin no say ebi afa woni so o dey text message ni ehu say den beba.
Nti ne me kasa bebuo mu na me ne omo akasa no. Udi kan ya no wa ye wo kandie no ho adwuma.
Ye.
Wa anya wo kandie no ho adwuma a community ni mu no ebon abeda ho. Mo ahwe ye nso amana na betimi ato afiri soro aba. Udi e mo ntina ho. Na ye ni bri abri afi we no.
Ni nyina so
yo.
Ye ni nyame ne be nam.
Oni nyame nam. Uni yankopon nantin soro na nanti ye kombekun.
Se nyame se ofa na adwuma afa adwuma pa.
Enu ne adwuma ben ya.
Nyame adwuma.
Se
da wo ya se nyame adwuma.
Oh nyame adwuma.
Nti pa ni se ya ogbakokra ye ba giska brel.
Debi.
Ompe.
Debi.
Ase je ko ba na no ade.
O se.
O da bi o.
Ko ba.
Me kwa la makoboka.
Muntu susu. Era mo se me ba be show ene. You.
Ya ba se ya mamu 10 million ba yin kaka.
Oh okay.
Ora ze.
Ene e wose mo mamu ye.
December. Mo ba bia be mamu.
Ei. E free Saturday come December no.
Se shebo.
Ma oni ankasa oni usuru oni ankasa wa fidie so.
Me se bo.
Yo.
Era na ko.
Ko bedwam.
Ko jina bedwam.
No akasa.
Okay.
Mama so shebi.
Enti
shebi.
Deputy programs head the same.
Me say
a free Saturday akuko si December.
December.
A surprise is say.
Yeah, etumi fa ba bia.
Matu susu agu ntem.
Ta ho say 10.
Oh okay.
Ye be di pet.
Obi a be di.
Etafie taba. Oh okay. Yate.
Izebili yeme.
I don't know be kasa Sunday ana we jai.
Anti oro so be kam ni waji yo.
Ono betimi awura mu sisi aba.
Onu kan so kasa already.
Eno ne ye wo mra na so mra.
Juma mra na.
Juma mra se wo kasa. Na wan kasa be da tie microphone say da na say munye de.
Oh da ne kasa wo.
Se wo kasa wo ntante ho. Se wo kasa wo ntete se de wo tie chiriti.
Ora je.
You.
Because me say me wo feel me tie obi a me feeling the camera. Ba me kasa me say anti say ya am confo.
Obetumi awura mu sisi ya o.
Me jiri say nda kasa me say.
Owura ma ye man nkasa.
Me say why busy ntia menim.
Anka wa wura mu da.
Billy man. What is sika? What's up go jina?
Okay, enti programs manager da sinyame nhira o. Munye ni say ya me dem aka kire mo. Me mfa nkonku, me nkoka no baabi. Said ye mframa ne bo no.
Yeah.
Manye ye ni say ya.
Na ho bi a.
Ene
wabahasa.
Ba de kan hweni yo.
Oje.
De kan hweni.
Abi kan okra kire wa se hweni ye. Sese ya mfa bibia nsie bi mu.
Because answer abrewa nyi no be wu ase ya o.
Ana me ka say. Fa hwi nsie bi mu. Kwa makwa bai.
Wabekasa na oba ya wamba do pa waba enyumre.
Ana se timisi. Ayi mi sister say wakoto. Say wakoto ko kinkan ayi. Anopa kase ye bo vision 1.
Abebo prem
to bre yete nkan kasapa. O me fancy e bi.
Ba we ye o ye bi e be chiwo fi wo san do baba.
Ayi Kimpaluta. O si ba bi e maduru no. Masuru mi nsuru ayi bi e.
Be chiwo san do baba.
O de mo ntina ho yi.
De
time is up.
No.
Asama na kan sana. Ye pe ni e be di a se time.
Jeja no kwa. Ye pe di e.
Ye emba go atu obi aso. Why?
Why is it time is up?
Sister we have been no.
Oh, the time is up.
Sister Becky Force say sports near time was on TN sorry.
You. This was sad and time to
Some go say fire
good die.
Ya chechere mo to ha.
Sa. Hey, oh day nipa bi o.
Dey embago. Embago.
Damozo.
Oh, there nipa bi o.
Decoding the football people talk.
Jaisa. It's me na maka no. Yes one ka say wutiri hu a. Be yi bone.
No cre.
And yanko kan otokurom.
No cre.
Na ba be hu.
Na no cre.
Me a me ka de asi wanim.
Wie.
Tong.
Ampa.
Say udi kan ya no aye wo kan die no so adwuma.
No cre.
Because community ni bibia betimi asi wo mu.
Ampa.
Man na so betimi ato afiri so.
Wie.
Ni nyira mo se mo ni.
Na kwaso.
Sports. Ana very anesimamba yedi aseda ema ODI Electronics omaso enase ama kudie mu nsem no yedi ba be hia we ejuma ko a ehye Odi Media Networks ase de tie ne se eneyi oye Simtress oye Taylor oye market woman mechanic group anase individuals moye sorry anase teachers nurse for doctor for na mo pese munya home appliances ofi eyusu mafe efiade yo enso boko edma modia munkopiem ODI Electronics na fi ye mamo nyoma ni bi na monto television ebi ho air condition de bi aba fridge deep freezer tabletop ni nyina no ukopiem ODI Electronics ye de bi aba afi washing machine rice cooker blender ceiling fan electric iron microwave na afi ayade a TV wall mount no ni nyina no udo ni kiremu ODI Electronics akachi a ye de bi aba asem dane se uba no ebia sika no nkita ni nyina yeso de atumu da fa half bra wo de half eba e de TV ni be ma e rice cooker ni be ma e de washing machine be ma wo coffee a wo use wo no na de 3 month enso etua na bibia so ekokama e de ma wo hwe echi akwan ya MTT Ghana Police Service no ye ne bonhwe nim nkwantanum Stadium Junction haya ebia penchiruma asimi die ya wo penuma ne prices nso a 053 9500 514 0539500 na oni ODI Electronics enso edi enkomo na bibia akoye edi ama Afrakuma Community Hospital enso sebra yarwa ba na etete wo ene yanwa no dio wusu ache wakon wanu ho duro sa hospital sa enko ye de sifa piem Afrakuma Community Hospital na fi yenhwe emboa na yarwa no nyina no yentu ase ntempa so emfa ema oba your doctors and nurse for na fe midwife attitude ye ya ombehwe aboa ma fe yarwa odi ba ye nyina no ya hwe eyi efuru so ntempa so we piem ya kachi a ye OPD ye lab theater labor ward na for children's storage nano ebi Afrakuma Community Hospital ye Amasaman Stadium Road Gan West Municipality ni mu honom na ye wo ye adwuma 24/7 ye mpon etwon na etete wa ye de esebra ye doctor onim etwon yi a obayi otwon ede amawa ekire ebe din number ni enie abayi ye odi asomje 059 700 5963 059 7005963 na fe one Afrakuma Community Hospital enso edi enkomo Festus Enterprise promotion enso egusu a ekoso na ebia wono ope DSTV ope Multi TV Star Times Canal Plus HD Plus na opese wo store eyusu anase o recharge a nyina na Festus Enterprise na kama edi amawa ohabia embechire bio television edi bi aba brand biabi na face size biabi ebi Festus Enterprise TV guide fridge guys ebi TV antennas afa TV wall mount size biabi obenya bi ato Festus Enterprise satellite dishes ebi afa TV na afa decoder remote no etuntu bi Festus Enterprise decoder stands ye bi aba be pimo akache na foni mbedi nsawoso na bibia enko kama emfa ema isan tunton air conditions afa air condition bracket so no ya de ebi Festus Enterprise CCTV cameras ebi ye install at the amount ye install wadwumam ye install wasole o office ene be bibia wo bia at the amount na be bibia otena bia no nso wafa amonitania ekoso be bibia wo bia enu tin be piem na foni embedi nsawoso de tiene se sa no ma bobodi nyina no open installer papa obetimi install dem mawa bia mbechire biwa for assemble Festus Enterprise na fe install kama emfa mawa na se bibi boni bia enso ensi echire bio Festus Enterprise yani Copa Ghana akọ nakranda ama the original Samsung phones Emma on credit the through na fe onso wa yusu nia wo hia nyina ne se obe initial deposit utwe kakra bi na fe the Ghana card enso aba na the phone amount who yusu 4 to 6 months enso e de atua na fe phone aba ye odia forever na bibia nso akoye wo hwe achi akwanya Festus Enterprise ube hu yen ya ne eye Chumasi Sport no e na ebo nhwenim udu ntoto ani bonse nei MTN color building bi honom ase onoma no ya de abre na onye embedin sawoso enso honom number ni enie oni Mr Festus answer enkasa or number iso 0244 515 849 0244 515 849 and 0269 305 785 0269 305 785.
Yes, sir. Ni papa friend doctor Mahmoud Baumia ekogina simpie so edin nkomo cheche Ghana for kansempi eno nsem twofo kobusa no se odani enso di remu a omo eba no omo ka se omo abaye multi purpose makuma ko edu na mu nsem no sen ene sitie odin nkomo twetwe no echeche mu se odani eremu multi purpose no emprempra me no ka se de emu nsia eyade amaye enso ede awie na mumu aka nan ai se omo ye no mo hwe che so mu wie edu na be se enum so no be se peso na fe amanya makuma ko edunum amabia enso akoyi.
Quite a few already in terms of the multi-purpose sports stadia. We are doing 10. We've completed 6. 4 are almost done, and we are going to do another 5. So, I mean, the record is there that we've done 10. I think that we can do another 5 without much of a problem. So,
we am commander say MPP Frank Atuni papa na say honorable Edabi we vice president Dr. Mahmoud Baumia komo NSMD ejao
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia one fancy one ma mobeka ya eyade Ghana ye national amputee team no AFCON omaje atwa so mienu a obia NGB mfamfi omonsem na the last edition ebazo Egypt ama eneyim nante kogine ma konkoden esange trophy no bepiem Ghana sports minister Eshiom no mudi nkomo e de fom sika sem up to now reporter yensa kan se omusika no omonsa enkan bonuses ahodo a say players insa kan ni coaches ahodo nsaka no omonsa enkan ye na do ni chema mid the press na ase na neyi sembisa no ebaye se amputee team no adenti ina omusika no embaye Dr. Mahmoud Baumia echema o say yes ayade a one ne sports minister ekwa se edi nkomo na afi wahwe ne wo mu bia no o mahwe na afi o makle eka bia o honom edama amputee national team no.
The national amputee team who are owed some allowances. So I'll talk to the sports minister here to get the facts on the issue, and if that is the case, I will try to expedite their payment. So I'll when I leave here, I'm going to raise that issue.
We Frank Atuni Edema New Patriotic Party NPP amanyo kon Dr. Mahamadu Baumia enkomo no
yenda ni remu enso jefe aso yadani eremu enso prempram sesi amne ukase dia na se congress no enso ebehase endra ene se die di kan no enso ehase ende na dwumade na kasa enso ehase na odani eremu Northern Region RF chairman no pefan Abdullah Al-Hassan wadene nkoma akade ja eye ene anopei na wapefan Abdullah Al-Hassan komonina enso ne se osube piem Ghana nkofo kan se yelege no enso ani yelege no enyefe yentua place ne kayi eni tienchana motutu akwan no na ma lege no enso entumpon oso ne de ewom se no krede na enso se etua place ne kayi na se purchase no enya ye nya games efe na place no mom sika puduo na so mko ebia obaya na sports stadium anase Tamale sports stadium na se purchase no enya omutumi embo good football ema niama entumi nkoyi yentie ensama na se Northern Region RFA chairman Prophet Abdullah Al-Hassan enso ediajai
not been impressed with Ichisayewo. So you can motivate the players, you can do everything for them. At the end of the day, they go to Accra Sports Stadium, they go to Kumasi, they go to Esipon, they go to Tamale, and then the pitch is not good for them to play good football. And this will encourage people to invest in it, because you can't invest in a league who pitch now for nuclear or pitch so to show to the outside world and not acquire in USA. So Generally, I think our pitches, National Sports Authority, the Ministry of Youth and Sports will have to come in and then work on the pitches. Once we have very good pitches, I guess we'll be able to play very, very well.
We and Commodity Adijana for an Wensiwa or Sanso de Toss Dani Remu, our Elfina or Sia Jumadiamu Bobby Yeba Papa, Nedumia and a Sagana for their support, and so better Machino, CSC Dani Remua, Nessa Keto Creek, very game changer. Now, Obojuma Ye, and it's a Yadio and Mudia, football, Ghana, no, and so Betumpo.
We have begun a process into Obian trust process, See, at the end of the process, we will begin to see what we are sowing now. You don't expect to harvest it now, you expect it. So let's just give gestation period be na enkosu kakra. Then at the end of the day, Ghanaians will begin to see that game changer or the idea biaba sa no so ebeso abaka.
We am Commander Saudani Eremu or Northern Regional. I feel Chairman Prophet Abdullah Al Hassan and Como and I'm the Ejao.
Yegusu Ejna the 30th Ordinary Congress of Ghana Football Association. Nasa Jumadiewe Enras Nedi Kankacho ne Shase or Ghanaman Soccer Center of Excellence Pram and ne no miensa na Congress no yade ban ewie ye na Enra idea Jumadie bi enso happen ye na se nyoma bi happen ye or Pram the chance Nedi kan no yade Ghana Football Association President ne Okate Sword for a new construction of a 40-bed accommodation facility awo Pram enunti se Nyankopon ya adom na se omuhia na se omusiwie baby bia wo bia o football person so room of pram oni papa ada adwen ye na bibia nso akoye edama na toso mienu no ayade GF4 omsanse outdoor a new ambulance enso oye Ghanaman Soccer Center of Excellence ebia se wu use pitches ni bi ebia KGL ekos wo hoyi na ebia player bi apik injury na too serious omni to ambulance ni ma ne yom na fi pram kopi obi omni beko na yarehwe no enso atimi atoa so ensi wono ma the chance GF president enso ekate sword for a new gym swimming pool na Fusa Arena and also no ombesi or pram honum and friends on omuwie nom se dabi ya de yenyina no born na yebo enunti ya de the Premier League administrators na for Division 1 League administrators aka bomu arenei omobon nkofa akansie na ekowie se ya de Premier League aya administrators no omo mienu ama Division 1 League administrators no entimi ante kosi adu oye as gold for na say gold star sorry omo CEO ono Jan Naswa obo 2 goals ni na edema Premier League aya administrators na first half no Timisha sa goals ni na ese nkunimdie no enso eko edema Premier League administrators now.
Yantoso and so from what the end any Remo Nation Service Wobokunum, Nani come up in front of and from what the head coach there, coach Kasim Mingo, or the Nkuma Kradia Ja and nano pay and another Omuremu and so our Takoma as a top four no and so to Jana top on the banner and say Becher United and Amaje and so there's some national coach and friend Kasim Mingo no and then Nkuma Kradia Ja or see preseason no a 1 year papa Amana who plays obetumi Edoma Shase and the Remo Ghana Premier League next season and Yankopoya Duma now trim no dey animu ya ba sha se no o si preseason no aboa e ma niama akoye e ma Nations FC Bobokun.
I'm very much impressed with the performance and there's more room for improvement. It's a preseason. You have to give everybody the chance to play. That's exactly what we're doing. The team we play with Midiama here is only one player who played today. All the rest is not. We want everybody equal chance to prove. Yeah. You can have your first team through this competition. You can get preseason, you get your first, but you have to watch the bench too. So you have to give them the chance to play and see those who can sit and to complement the effort of the regular players. So exactly.
We and someone as a head coach at the Nations FC Wobokuno Kasim Mingo and so Eddie Ejaye.
Ghana Black Princesses no Kasedi Omarumu a Colombia honum na FIFA World Cup no enso enya ehyasie na se this month ya na sa dwumade no enso ehyasie Colombia FIFA U20 Women's World Cup no Ghana yenso ye jemu bi na chiche groups no Ghana kopiemu group E yani Austria Japan na New Zealand na APM group E Ghana first game ye bo against Austria and no Monday 2nd September na dwumade no ye bo first game second game 5th September Japan ene Ghana ede airborne ni na fe Sunday 8 September New Zealand enso ene Ghana ede awentam so ahwe anim se betimi qualify to the next stage of the competition ana na preparation towards a World Cup yi na ene Ghana ebo no miensa pramusima eye aduasa na se yene omanya ye friend eye South Korea ede airborne game no ebo so e Centro Deportivo eye Chukwenza eno Bogota Colombia minimum na game no enso eba for way preparation na Ghana Black Princesses yedi rumu arese betimi nya good results e dey fi World Cup mu apiana yempiemu ewo enkofo nkroso na fe enra okopiemu ewo leagues awodo ekoso ewo Europa games ni bi enso etimi ebaso the chance La Liga Santander one game ebaso Villarreal etnase omohye ekanum enan ema Saturday Vigo enso etekanum miensa afe Italian Serie A no Cagliari omoni Como game no enso ende 1-1 Patrick Croton enenya goal no edema Como Hellas Verona enso etnafe ema Juventus etimi twane ekanum miensa ama Hellas Verona for no omantim anti Dusan Vlahovic on about 2 goals edema Juve na fa Brantford Nicolo Saviona ono so onya goal no edema Juve La Liga Santander games no ene nonum ade game ni bi ebaso Real Mallorca ene Sevilla ebo afi 7:30 Rayo Vallecano ebetenase na omni Barcelona enso ede awentam so UEFA Champions League qualification no so no games no return leagues no ebaso FC Salzburg first league no omutenase enei omukopiem Dynamo Kiev Chrome omutwa mekani mienu a Dynamo Kiev anti return league no ebaso Salzburg omutenafie na omni Dynamo Kiev enso ede aboni Galatasaray omuso ade omu game against Young Boys no enso ebaso first league no Young Boys for omutenafie shekani miensa ama Galatasaray etekani mienu ene return league no ebaso Galatasaray etnase Othaki na one Young Boys enso ede aboni Sparta Praha enso omutenafie na omni Mamo FF ede awentam so first leg no Sparta Praha kopiemu Sweden omani Mamo de bani a Sparta Praha for shire kan mienu a na se Mamo antimi anti ene Praha omo etnase na omani Mamo FF ede awentam so
yendani enremu ewo Barcelona bobo kunumana se reporter to dwanete sia de onguso esinsan place ejebi kwan na reporter to nso head coach Efan Hansi Flick ede atro command for se sia do be hia defenders ewo kire ho na bia nso akoye ede ama ne play odikan eya Brante onye 20 years osira Academy Valencia bobo no ye fan eye Christian Mosquera on se omunya Brante na nko betumi aboa ma bia nso akoye papa ede amom na Brante otosumienu eye Jonathan Ta ono so dani Euro Bundesliga mu a na Sabrante ewo sinakan o Sabrante no woni na yadwuma ewo German national team no mu pen eni ti ohwe no modern bond dia na so behia no Barca boboku no
Barca dia Liverpool impempa amno ka say dia omo top club Europa omo making official signing bia na reporter eba no say omo ni goalkeeper bako edi nkomo na ene yada sore ya na beto dwan say Liverpool omo si Juve Abrante fan Federico Chiesa Abrante no omo ehia no ni nyane say omo so person mo strength omo nim honom no na goals no omo prugum na epio no mo hwe so mbetimi age edesi omo na so a
Astem ya bobo konumu ene nsem fiwo mo eba nda no pay ene so defender ayefe no ayem Matikash Abrante no bondo ni mboyi papa na reporter to dwane say wonya Armstrong eye injury na say Abrante no akwa kupra aniti 1 month nya do betumi agina mu esi akanema Astem ya bogo
eno private jet ebesi Manchester na private jet no bae no ye hwehwehwe ma se na ejuwefo eno no say private jet na abesi Manchester ni nyane say Abrante ayefe no Jadon Sancho o mefa na kopiem Italy na wakosan contract no e de maboboku ayefe no eye Juve
na da ni remu Abrante ayefe no Cancelo sinaka ede maboboku ayefe no Manchester City boboku na reporter to dwane say sia de yade Abrante no kwa no obekọ obewuramu enso e Saudi Pro League no boboku a ayefe no Al Hilal for any City for you 21 million pounds Abrante ndana ne awura kwesi akan ede amom
Hannibal eye Mejbri ono no eye player ede maboboku ayefe no Manchester United nia etiene se enra na Abrante ne complete ne deal ene kwa kopiem oboboku ayefe no Burnley enra medicals no ayade a na se oye United for mo hwe anim sen ka Abrante no beko on loan na so medicals no wie bibia ko na wie no na permanent deal Abrante ayefe no Hannibal wawura mu ewo Burnley okoginem esi akan ede ama boboku no
Ban Leverkusen so a report for no ebanda no peni say Liverpool abrantie kuma bi ye fe no eye telemot na say abrantie no onimbo ne ball papa na omo resa nkom say betumi aka abrantie signature na be si akan enso de amamo na omo so omo wremu e wo lipu ani penufo gusi di nkomo say abrantie fe no telemot beje peni akosi akan edama Ban Leverkusen boboku no
Neymar camp enso na aka say omo say team a ye fe no El Hilal betodwa say Neymar say dabi club no onya embobio onum say skapudo na Neymar odifi eye Europe kopie mu o Saudi Pro League ni mu na Neymar camp akasa omse sansam na nam kromu nyina no enya no kre Neymar epra na wapra na ayade ase ne hoto no kwakogem asia kan enso edama El Hilal team no e Saudi Pro League ni mu
na Victor Jinkomo no report obi akoduru ene say sia da branch ene say Saudi ni de onko ne nko akira ene nti ogusu wa twem twen say Chelsea for bed no betumi apagya ko nanim na foje penny atu fanfree Napoli abesia kan edema Chelsea wo good
Kofi yenko na Ronaldo say mprempren de onim so about retire si ya dia but also 2 anase 3 years bi e wonanim obehwe anim say obetuma retire but onim say 2 years say 3 years no be retire dia but say o ka che wiase nyina say ombo club bia bi obe retire e na sa ho no ma na bibia nso akoyi da ma no say ai o happy e Saudi Pro League ni mo nti we Cristiano Ronaldo ni nkomo ena odi aba no on this note ye gina so ne de nenso som no e de si ha na captain in the morning and as a morning captain so atwaso e de amount ene anopamidin Joshua Kwabena Janim Joseph Fajutin nka Raymond Ashete Rat Benito Mali e produce show no ene anope captain in the morning obobo fori amanfo over to you.
Adisiye obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Faster than confirm the sports team Joshua Kwabena Jenny Kofi Ejiri Ben Mauli Yedo Masibibre some 50 minutes after 7 a.m. matching and only made it in your framing or Boba Bofuri Abanfo Unyamia Guama Nimujano and I'm my that's what I say. Mac and you will
I saw plenty of work on the Busia of Florence, Italy. Something in Dino. Yes, Buddha. Nadia Yamoko was soon said. What did you know? I should look in and see you. But no one had to me. Hey, so what do you? Or they are very dreamy.
Anyone you?
I dear young woman was soon said. Me, I'm not from I am Poncasia.
It's Yan Sebra in my own corner and then one way you're my wood. Yen celebrate you one way. Now for yen fancy. So let me start with this one. Shasha Brown. Hey, your bar way. Shasha Brown. Girlfriend, I don't pay you be abacod, yeah. Happy birthday and confirm mount. Sounds on Albert a champon. Or a bra penny. In fact, why your uncle cry? Saka 3 years, when you're 60 years. Or you need packet to her. It's the uncle. There be wound to me, uncle. Albert Champon, happy birthday going out to you, Mister. I think some Mister is in order. Michael Tete, happy birthday going out to you, and of course, a colleague Ibrahim Adil Muhammad is your birthday today, and also to Nasaria Rahman, it's your birthday. Elder Dede Dia Daniel. Hey. Elder Dede Dia Daniel. Because Kuna on a chaplain on or handing over the mommy. It's my spiritual father, no? Didi. Elder Didi. Oh, there be we too much. This year I can't create no baby also for home. The Church of Pentecost. Dede Dia Daniel Elder. Happy birthday going out to you. And also to a friend Lawe Ngwa. It's your birthday today. A glorious happy birthday going out to you. Live long and prosper, and of course you have a good one. Mo ene ma woden nyine radi yankopon ka mo hona onto mo nkwannem makoma so ade me mpa ebo ne ma desrade nyina ne se awurade nyema mo na mo nsusu mu ntumi hu nani onyam ne tumi ene ne kesiye medase bebre
woda chinti
eno ne obra kwantu afutuo na desua ewom ne bre na aso yi ma memfa ma we na afi yemfa de aka nyina mfa nto aso no pay brofo kasa mu no say you cannot hurt an innocent man. You cannot hurt an innocent man. I don't pay obi a na dwene se obedi ubone. But oda chinti the American kire say nipa no and say you cannot hurt an innocent man. Obi a wono na dwene mu fitaa na koma mu fitaa na wone wonam na ya wadwene se obedi ni bone o ya adwene se obe ya ade ama na ye ne ya untumi o awurade bɛko ne ko de ama no nti obi yi ne kuma mu ne wonam ɛyɛ adwuma mu yi ne kuma mu oyi na adwene mu fitaa no ne wonam ɛyɛ awariem wayi na kuma mu na adwene mu fitaa no ɔbaa wɔ ne wote asɔre hɔ wayi na kuma mu na adwene mu fitaa no ne asɔre ne nam ɛna ɛmo adwene sɛ by virtue sɛ ɔno na yi na kuma mu na adwene mu ɔne mo nam edwani mu no ɔno na adwene sɛ sɛbe ɔbɛyɛ ne ho kwasea ɔba na ewura wo edwani mu a ɔbɛprapra sɛbe ɔyɛ ne ho kwasea wɔ adwuma ni mu obi ansoma ne bi obi anteatea no obi na ɛwa adwene so saa nipa no bɛdi ne bɔne enye yie o enye ye awonim enye ye enye ye kra enti anopa yi dia yɛde nam ɛno no yɛnkasa nkyɛ yɛse asɛmpa etia you cannot hurt an innocent man enti asɛm na wode to ne so no ɛwa adwene sɛ wode to ne so na nka ne ho akyere no nkonkomo abɛbɔ wo awutiri so sabe wosi dua mu mmɔkwakuo ɛbɛdane aba bɛ nyemew wo ankasa ɛna no Mordecai ɛne Haman kosi dua se yɛmfa Mordecai nkɔhyɛ so nkum no ntontwene adan yɛ ɔtete yɛn ɔha dwen dodo Bible said dua Haman ɔma ɔmo si yɛse yɛmfa Mordecai ansɛn soɔ no sɛ dua korɔ no ana ɛde ne sɛ so wonim deɛ ntia you cannot hurt an innocent man especially ɔmo a ɔmo de ɔmo akoma mu fitaa ɛne ɔmo adwene mu fitaa ne nipa nante obi ne wo yɛ adwuma ɛne ne nante yie so obi no yɛ adwuma no oyi ne kuma mu de maw onso so ɛne ne nante yie o boss wayi ne kuma mu wagya bibia mu de amaw also no I want you to feel a part of it yawo adwuma fo mpanimfo ni bi wɔ no mo a tie yawo I am working with and I work for tie yawo boss ni bi wɔ no mo a pese you will work for but you will work with opese woni wo yɛ adwuma pese wo yɛ adwuma ma no enti se wo hia boss bi a te se yɛ boss ene ne wa ha odi angan se ɔyɛ adwuma ma me pese ade no ɔyɛ adwuma ma me da bi ɔse menini na yɛ adwuma so ɔba ha no mo a news ɔne yɛ na ɛka sports yi kura otimi ni ɔmo tena mu ano ɔmo ayɛ ɔba ha no mo a ɔma wo feel say you are working with him you are not working for him oyobi a ba bia wadure nyame ahyira no anya bia kro betumi ada no pa bia o so we na me nko ba bia obedidi o but o se no onye ne sa oba ha no mo enya ebia na abodwe se na sisi ya fufuta nka wu hu so ye ono a oni ye nyina ka bom and he is working with us onka say they are working for me debi enti uni onipa bi sa nam na you are working with him onka say work for me but work with me oni me nya adwuma onka say ya adwuma ma me oni me nya adwuma now ya wadwene say wo bedi ni bone a you cannot hurt an innocent man you cannot enu tu bo so wo de be kohwe ya tew na de akohwe ya tew obe ya onye obi a na adomi wo eye wa wo nkonkonmoa na aba utiri so saa nso so ene betumi aba se ono abie ne kuma mu si ye ne nya adwuma yi ye ne ya adwuma yi ne esefata wo e wo se won so nsa ka ema o na se me abie mu akire no me ma akire bibie mu akire no se me ne na eye ye wo mu yi se sika ba wo so ye nyina na ye wo mu ayeye enti sika ba wo enti sika ma ze no nsusu wo hu eba wo hu ema wo hu ene ye nyina na ye tuo bom ne ye kɔ ene nkrofo edi ne etwefo omobo you cannot hurt an innocent man you cannot hurt an innocent man so ono nso yi ne kuma mu fita one wo ye adwuma yi ma shada na me use ye adwuma mu ha de ayem fato ho se de nkomo no beti ase pa eni ti mo nso amone nkrofo ye adwuma mo ne nkrofo nam aware anim nkrofo mate mo nchen na ma adwene so enya mo asene mu mma eni nti mo be hete wo mo no. I am telling you, you cannot hurt an innocent man. Enkrofo akogina la mu ato aba ma wa mo aba be ye panyini ene wunya post ni wie ye o se nan kpankpare ene ne wo de nam na ne apɛ na wo ye medofo. You cannot hurt an innocent man. 4 years will come again. Oh, you will come to us. Oh, you will come and plead with us. Oh, move to abanamami. Oh, ye to mount now. Now I just say what do you into the open abaya? I am telling you, you cannot hurt an innocent man. Mami fancy. Nani akano. Yen fanya nkomodi we fie ho ye car ni me adwuma ni me store ho ye shop ho. Afuo kwan ni so. Afuo mu ho. Mo me fanya nkomodi. Obi ne kuma mu no we ye adwuma enye wadwen so obedi ne bone. Na wodi ne bone ye nyeye. Onyankopon butu soro ho. Ohwe me nu mienu. Okura katua. Ode beba asasi so. E de abere obi a sede ne nwuma esi etie. Ghana Nyankopon tene ni mu nkyerɛ wo. Obowo ba ofori amanfo Nyankopon tene ni mu nkyerɛ no nka ho. De ubon krata oboso obra so ye bɛkɔ ne akwakofa no nso so e de ama wo. Na emo mfa hye otirim oda achenti. Untimi ni obi a na komam na adwene mu fitaa a one wo eye adwuma one wo nam one wo bobra no. Untimi ni ne bone. Meda wasi bebre.
Oda achenti.
Esi. Nyame agua ama moja no. Igusu esusu gu akoma so. Tie bie. Eba cho my emphasis and come aboa for omo kan ho no mo boa yen na no pay. Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise. Or see and can't show Sam or Frano. Womu be suku. Yanko point out next month suku ni ebie. And in tisa wo pe suku one can say ye books, say ye pens, say ye pencils, rulers, mathematical sets, say ye sharpeners, crayons, poster colors, clear bars, correction flues, say office pins, say a cupboard, say a foam maker, and the eraser na wope. A dear BF book, textbooks, exercise books, and the hono. Nina oko Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise. I want sabi to me can be ewo. Mo be stationary ni bia. Ayana mo pe baby akofa books and ebo fo abegum na mo so metumi ato anyam faso no mo adaro man opay me kanfo Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise e the amount atim dan wo butu me pa chow Ghana Commercial Bank no ne wo car park no e die ne hwe wo supermarket ho no mo a yem frɛ Madam Eva Obese e was 0244 293632 0244 293632 na any je se say a free 1st August no and ye say oba beton nioma wa yen ho no mo a say okay kan nyina bom na eduru 100 Ghana cedis 100 Ghana cedis a oba attracted 10% discount off and unti eya na wa hye ne so nti ukototo nioma na eduru 100 Ghana cedis ya eya na mu see better so 10 Ghana cedis at the amount we unya obaby a just a Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise. And unti corporate institutions, you know, my catch say my waiting room ho I was say so interesting. Obi ba no otwen wo a also otiminya storybooks you be a or back in Kenya it was soothing the person's own na ne twen a otwen no timi anya abotre no atimi atwen wo a de akwakwa kosi nti anya ne sa afra koma community hospital anapai sa pomudin de eye apomudin ye papa and nti wutie me na obi bi won crying ama saman pokuase shipontele yayira ne mayira ne akatapo kwabenya abuomu junction pokuase ACP ani kuntunsi ani sampotem ho nyina no mwadaroma mofuma ni nkyire mu afrakoma community hospital we no no ama saman unya duru stadium junction ho no mo a bisa taxi drivers no taxi rank ho se okọ new life so New Life na ɔmo de wɔbɛkɔ na ɔmo esi wɔ kwan no so na afei wakɔ Afrakoma Community Hospital. Mepacho services no yɛrane ne nyinaa bi wɔ hɔ no from OPD, lab test, theater, labor ward wɔ hɔ, children's ward nso so ɛwɔ hɔ no a 24/7 a yɛadesa ɛkɔ so wɔ hɔ. Wonim obi a hernia anaasɛ ɛtwo ɛtete no a wadaro mayana wode na kɔ hɔ no no mayi ama na mamframa papa yi ebi atimi afa ne nantem yɛmfrɛ wɔ mo 0597 005963 0597005963 o fresh number we ya obeje osu no atimi aboa me no ka say abusuafo atena ase dada e wo fie ha ene nti ye bekọ mo ho no mo na o maboa yen na da ubon krata mo boso ahodo aba no watimi e de yen afam kakra na emom offer no eye HJA Africa omoni CSIR ena aka bomu a omo edi nhwehwemu kese egu apono so a omo wieye na omo de oya de ye fertilizer sonko ene de aba abonten offer no eye etia wetwam na emom o tretre mu a eye organic farming aid a eboa ema kuayo eye kamakama pa nti mu ahodo aya na omo to hye ye no baye ne ye niema ahodo aye ye so ema ne mu akese ema enso abayie mpo no ade ebe ye free ho no mo offer no eye natural eye multi-purpose eye liquid eye 100% Ghanaian eye effective na ne tiene say o de 1 liter ubetimi de treat 2 acres of eye of farm no a ebema asodo so me pa cha obebre Ministry of Food and Agriculture Sanso and Environmental Protection Agency wo mo agi atum say eye papa eni nti yemfa nya adwuma wo mo ama wo mo abodin krata eni nti wutie me odo emo ebro cashew odie no eye mango ana eye cassava ana odie ne cabbage, tomato, onion, watermelon ana cowpea wodo nkate ana se bayire, soya bean ana se nefuo ena wo ye ma wonsanka offer ne bi na emo awpa eno ne magic na aba mpotemo ha nkrofo ka no ma wonsanka bi ebeboa wo atimda Tales and Details Agrochemical ewo dan main market sanso ena wokọ ahoto agro ho a wonsa beka bi Mr. J ewo odan abenase tienko ho asama kesenso yebekọ Farmers Home na chianse yakọ Biski Agro New Ebrem yekọ Magina afei nkọkọ miame nkrofo yebekọ Harrowfit a woni Crown Filling Station no na edi animhwe ewo nkọkọ abem yebekọ